Hello everyone, it's your options guy. Welcome back to another video. Thank you for joining my channel. I cover stocks, mainly the stocks that I'm actually playing with, and I also cover stocks that I find great interest in and whether I'm planning to play in it or not. And yeah, so if you like what you see, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So in today's video, we're going to talk about Palantir, and I haven't talked about Palantir in a while. It actually hasn't been doing much lately in the last couple of weeks up until now. Now it's actually moving. It's actually looking really, really bullish. So what I'm going to show you guys is I'm going to show you basically my chart analysis and kind of tell you guys where I think it's heading based on what's going on with the chart. I'll also show you guys what's going on in the options side. I'll show you if it's bearish or bullish, and then I'll cover basically what's going on with options on the Palantir side. If it gets to load, yeah, it'll load in a second. But anyways, I'll show you guys that as well. I'll also show you guys any recent news that's going on with Palantir. Basically, like just to try to understand like what's going on within like the news with contracts and stuff and partnerships, just to see like if that's what's pushing the stock or if it's something else. I'll also just go over basically like what happened today and thoughts on that. I'll even showcase my portfolio and show you guys what I'm doing with Palantir and other stocks that I'm playing with. But before we get into it, I just want to emphasize I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes, talking about my thoughts and opinions. All right, so let's start with the chart. So yeah, lately Palantir has been going up. As you can see, it has a really nice like a bullish type of wedge forming right here, and this is coming back. It broke the support that we used to have, which was around 21. So we hit that support line around like here. So basically, where all these little red circles that I pointed, that's where we had a strong support. But as you can see, back around May 10th, we started dipping, and I guess you can say that this was a very strong support around 17, and then we had a huge a bullish volume right here, and then it was just been going up ever since. And today it was a really strong day with, I think it was 6%. And then one thing I've noticed is that the options have been coming in pretty hot with the actually, one second, let me log in real quick. All right, sorry, I just had to log in. So as you can see, I'm showing you the kind of like the options flow, and as you can see, it's been bullish lately. So like I was saying, that Palantir options have been coming in pretty hot lately, and I'll showcase and like how much money has been going over today and then the past week and everything. And then I'll also you can see how it compares to other stocks like AMC and SoFi and so on, but I'll do a deep dive in a second. But yeah, I think one of the main reasons is because lately it's been having like good news after good news. Now normally when the stock has good news after good news, it usually like goes up like in the morning, and then all of a sudden it just crashes, and then it ends up being like another red day. So that's kind of like the typical trend for Palantir, and you should know if you've been in Palantir as a long-term investor already. However, this time around it's been a little bit different. Not only is the news coming out like great, like with the 49% revenue growth, 170 million cash flow, 404 million, up 404 million year over year, like all good news. And then Palantir and Space Force expanded partnership, and then just recently they've been awarded 111 million contract to provide mission command for United States Special Operations Command. So it's just been like good news after good news. And then I feel like for the most part it already shook off a lot of retail investors. And as you can see, let me just show you like this week with Palantir what's been going on in terms of options. So if you guys don't know, or if you can't understand what's going on with options, I'll explain it to you in a little bit with more details. So but as you can see here, premium amount of call orders are at 23.5 million for this week, or from 5/26 till now. So it's a good amount of orders, 276 orders, kind of massive. But let's take a look at what happened today. So today, let me filter by where the most money has gone in. So that typically, what I've been noticing with Palantir is it does have a good amount of big orders, like 300,000, 200, and so on. But the thing that stands out the most today is this 1.4 million. This is actually pretty huge, and I haven't seen an order like this big in a while. Not only haven't I seen an order like with this much going into calls lately, but the other thing that stands out is the strike that they selected. So basically what this means is whoever whatever institution or whoever did this, they're basically buying out the money. So that means that they're expecting Palantir to go up higher than what it is already. So normally, as you can see here, this person selected 20, so that's a little bit under the money because it was trading at 23 at that point. So as you can see, 22, 22, 22. So these were all in the money. So in the monies, you're playing a little bit safer. Out the monies, you're risking a little bit more. But if you put in this much money, you're fairly confident that's gonna go up by relatively soon, or at least within the next couple 4 to 5 months, because expiration is 11/19. But it should be well above 27 by then. But anyways, that's basically what happened with Palantir in terms of calls today. So that's the news, that's the chart, and I think it's been breaking resistance after resistance. So the last resistance that I had plotted was 22.46. We broke into that. The next one is around this 24.35. You can see we're at 24.47, so it's barely breaking above that. But we'll see if it continues to break above that for tomorrow as validation. If it does, it seems that the next stop would be somewhere around this 25, 26 range. So right under there. If it even breaks that, I think the next stop would be just under 27, and then lastly it would be around this 30 range, which we'll have a lot more room to grow. So if we can break or close well into 25 tomorrow, it seems like we're on our way to reaching 30, or at least it's looking really good based on the chart. So anyways, I just want to show you guys that. And now let me show you basically what's going on in my portfolio. So yeah, my portfolio it's been a really rocky lately, and a couple weeks back I had a workhorse that I had to take a loss on, and then well, what do you know, workhorse is back up today, and it had a massive surge today because of the short interest on stocks lately that have been heavily shorted. It's been getting up some hype lately, and today it was a really good day with workhorse because of that. So if you're still holding on to workhorse, and kudos to you. You've been diamond handling and back holding for a while, and I think you're slowly coming back to the positive, so good on you. But as you can see, I have 1,000 shares of Palantir, and I did have some calls in Palantir. I closed them out, and I closed them out for a slight profit, but the main reason why I closed them out was because I wanted to get in on coin. So those of you who've been following me, I've recently added coin, and I'll make another video, deeper dive video, probably after this, or maybe even today, talking about why I got into coin. But the main reason is because if you take a look at the financials, Palantir and coin are almost worth about the same, just probably a $10 billion difference in terms of valuation. However, coin basically made almost double of what Palantir made, or is expected to make all of this year in their last quarter. So that means coin, in their last quarter, they've made, in terms of revenue, they've made basically double of what Palantir is expected to make this whole year. So and they're both, as of now, almost valuated very closely to the same. And then I feel like coin is also just getting started. It had a huge beatdown lately because of the whole IPO and everything, but I feel like it's settling now. And then yeah, but anyways, I'll cover coin in the next video. But yeah, so this is basically what's going on, and yeah, I'm planning to hold on to this Palantir for a while, at least these downstream shares. I feel like we should be able to rebound back to the above 30s, maybe within a couple months, especially if the whole inflation fear seems to be fading away, and it may come back, or there might be a crash or something. You never know. No one knows. But lately, it seems that the whole inflation fear has been kind of fading away, and I've seen a lot of money going back into these growth type of stocks. So Palantir has been going back up, and then other types of growth stocks have been going back up. So yeah, so if you like this video, please give a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.